Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oat cookies without sugar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need ripe bananas or pitted dates for natural sweetness, about 1/2 cup of mashed banana or date paste. Combine these with 2 cups of rolled oats, which are the base of our delicious cookies. Don't forget a healthy fat, like 1/4 cup of almond butter or melted coconut oil, to bind everything together. Now let's mix everything. In a large bowl, combine your mashed banana or date paste with the nut butter or coconut oil. Then, gradually add the rolled oats, mixing until well combined. This is also the perfect time to add your favorite flavor enhancers. Consider 1 teaspoon of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg. For extra texture, stir in 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or dried cranberries. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Using a spoon or a small ice cream scoop, drop rounded spoonfuls of dough onto the prepared sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the cookies are set. Once your delicious sugar-free oat cookies have cooled completely, they are ready to enjoy. For optimal freshness, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. If you've made a larger batch, these cookies freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature or warm them slightly before serving. And hey, for more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.